guys, good morning. It's another day, it's another vlog. I'm sitting here eating my pizza that I got from Whole Foods yesterday. It is the caramelized onions with mushroom pizza. So good, so good. It's currently 2 p.m. as you guys can clearly see. I've had a very late start to my day today. I was hoping to have a super productive day. It just didn't happen. I couldn't get motivated to like start working or really get out of bed this morning. I just could not sleep last night. I'm fine with that. I feel like I need to take care of my mental health, and I've been working so much lately. And I hate when YouTubers say that, because I know for most people, vlogging and editing your life just doesn't seem like that much work. But to like film and talk to a camera by yourself, it gets kind of lonely and kind of boring. I feel like being a vlogger is definitely different than like having like an accounting job where you're always like constantly working, but it does take a mental toll on my mental health just to put myself up online every single day. Matt and I actually have date plans for tonight. I'm trying to figure out if I should like get really sexy and like wear lingerie. I did bring lingerie with me, and I did make an order from Savage X Fenty that came in literally yesterday, so I kind of want to show you guys. And it's not sponsored. I did purchase it with my own money. I'm going to eat and catch up on my David Dobrik videos. Hey guys, I just finished my makeup and I did it a little bit differently. I did that thing where you put a little bit of eyeliner right in your inner corners, and then I actually have no eyeliner going from here to here, and then I just have like a baby little wing going from the outer edge to the middle edge, and I put on fake lashes, and then I put on some lip gloss. Normally I put on like matte lipstick, but I feel like that's not as trendy anymore, but I still love my matte lipstick because I hate the feeling of sticky lips. But I'm actually using the Addison Rae Item Beauty lip gloss. This is in the color Come Through, so highly suggest this one. It's not super sticky, it kind of feels slick. Matt is gonna come pick me up for our date night in about 30 minutes because we have a movie we're gonna go watch. We're gonna go to the movies, and then afterwards we're gonna go grab dinner. I actually don't know where we're gonna go get dinner at, but in the meantime I wanted to show you guys my Savage X Fenty package, but I literally cannot find it. Where did he put them? Oh, they're right there, guys. They're right there. All right, let's go open these up. Normally it comes in like a normal package, but it actually came in a box today, and I honestly don't remember what I got because I feel like anytime I order from Savage X Fenty, it takes about like a solid week and a half to 2 weeks to get to you. What? Oh my, I'm actually so excited for this. Now that I see it, I do remember what I got myself. It's so freaking cute. Oh my god, it's a whole ass set, guys. I got 5 pieces. It's all in the same like minty green color, and I've been super into the color green. I think it looks really good on my skin tone. Okay, the first thing it came with is these little underwear bottoms. So cute, very see-through. Oh my god. Then it came with, I think it was a 3-piece set, and then I purchased something else that also matched the set. So then it came with this bra slash bralette. I think it is a bra, but it's just see-through, so it kind of looks like it's a bralette, but it's wired and everything. It's like a little balconette bra because it only covers like the bottom half of your boobs. So if you have like big nipples or just big boobs in general, these balconette bras are probably not the best things for you guys. And then I got, oh, this is like the first time I've gotten like a real set of lingerie, and I'm so excited to wear it. I'm sure Matt is gonna be super excited for me to wear this. Then it comes with a garter. I think this is what it's called, but you like put it around your waistband and then you attach it to your stockings. So I got this matching set as well. Then it came with the same lime green covered stockings. And this did not come with a set, but I purchased it because I thought it was super cute, and it comes in the same color. So it's a little green corset. I figured this would be really cute as a layering piece. Like if I was to wear like a white long sleeve underneath this and then this on top, it would be so adorable. So it's definitely not something I can just like wear out and about. I'm gonna try it on later, not for you guys, but like for myself, not for Matt. Matt's gonna be so sad that I'm not wearing this for him. Maybe I could. I mean, we are going on a date tonight, and I could honestly just like throw it on underneath my clothes, so then there's like a little bit of a surprise later, but at the same time it's totally not necessary. But I do want to show you guys other lingerie that I brought with me because I'm sad I didn't get to wear any of them for Valentine's Day, because you guys know me and Matt had a little bit of a tiff on Valentine's Day, so he missed out on my cute ass outfit, but I want you guys to see it instead. Okay, so I actually brought options for Valentine's Day because I wasn't sure what I was going for. The first thing I grabbed from home was this teddy from Savage X Fenty. I got it like over the summer. It's so cute, and I'm so mad at Savage for not making more sets that look like this but in different colors. Hands down, this was the cutest set I've gotten by far from Savage, and they just don't come out with teddies like this anymore. But it's not like super Valentine's Day-y, so I also grabbed this guy. It's from Luxe Intimates. I forgot where I got this from, but it's another set that's kind of like see-through, and it's so cute. You know what? I'm gonna try to figure out a really cute outfit to wear this with it paired underneath or on top of something, because I think it's so cute, and it's definitely a different vibe. Like, definitely might get judged in Colorado for wearing this, but also like I'm trying to like be more sophisticated and wear clothing that's a little bit more mature, because I feel like I've had kind of like the same style of clothes the last 7 years of my career, which is very girly and colorful, and I don't know if it's still a little bit my vibe, but not like completely my vibe anymore. I'm just trying to grow up a little bit, so I'm gonna try to figure out a cute little outfit to wear this with. Okay, this outfit might be a little weird, but just hear me out. I think I'm gonna wear this long sleeve mock neck top, pair it with this bodysuit underneath it, and then wear these like gray pants and see what it looks like. Okay, I have this option, which is like my tan pants. I was thinking it was a little more casual tan, but I can also wear black. Should I try the black pants? Let me just look at myself in the mirror. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wear black instead. We're gonna try the black. Okay guys, I have today's date outfit picked out. She's wearing black. I don't really know how I feel about this outfit because it's so different, but I actually really like it. I'm wearing the cheapest pants from like Shein side that I got like 10 years ago. Leather jacket is from Princess Polly. I'll try to link everything down below. These boots are from ASOS. You guys always ask about these and I completely forget to talk about them. These are from ASOS. I was thinking of maybe wearing like a black or a gold chain, but that might be too much with this outfit. Matt is here, so we're gonna head on out. Yay! That last clip might have been all unfocused. I'm so sorry. But for some reason, this camera has been unfocusing itself all the time lately, and it's been so frustrating. Matt picked me up. Look at this hottie.
Hot.
We're gonna watch a movie. It's called Judas and the Messiah. It's about Black Panthers. Fun fact, when I was in high school, I got detention once, and my detention teacher was an ex-cop who grew up during the Black Panther movement, and her entire family was a part of the Black Panthers, and then she became a cop, and she was like ostracized from her entire family because like they're against cops. Apparently in Denver, Colorado, the theaters are opened Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sundays, but you have to wear a mask inside, which makes a lot of sense. And I think they have like a lot of rows and seats not open for the public, so it's very, very limited seating. So I'm excited to do this because it'll be the first movie we go to since the pandemic. We have Reusable pretzels. Can I get a pretzel, please? Hi, can I get an unsalted pretzel and then a jalapeno cheese dip? You have your recipe ready? Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Whee!
Ready?
Yeah. It's completely empty in here.
It's been a hell of a day.
Hey guys, so we just got back from the movies and we have dinner plans at 8 p.m. It is currently 7 p.m. so we have like an hour before we go to dinner, but I had a Reusable pretzel while I was at the movies and it was so freaking good. I highly suggest getting a unsalted pretzel with some jalapeno cheese from Reusable pretzel. It's so good. It's so good. I could have had like 3 more of those, but I just wanted to talk about the movie. It was so freaking good. Like literally 4.5 out of 5 stars. I thought it was an amazing movie. I was really sad by the ending. It made me really, really sad. I wish the ending ended differently, but it's an amazing movie about the Black Panthers and just kind of like the political war that happened between the FBI, the cops, and the Black Panthers, and kind of just like more like behind the scenes stuff of what like most people probably don't know about. And it was inspired by true events, so I don't know if everything in the movie was historically correct, but it seemed like it was pretty spot on about what happened. I don't want to ruin any of it for you guys, but if you guys can watch it at home or in a theater that is safe, then you guys should check the movie out. We were literally the only people at the theater, like literally the only ones there. It was kind of crazy, but it made a lot of sense because we went at 4 p.m. on purpose because we knew a lot of people weren't going to be there, and there were also like social distancing seats and stuff. I'm not sure where we're going to dinner tonight. It's a little surprise for myself, and I'll update you guys when we go to dinner. But I'm really digging this outfit. I feel like I should be in John Wick. Like I feel like I should have two guns and be a little assassin, but I'm not. So it's 9 p.m. now. Matt and I are about to head out for dinner plans. We kind of pushed it back from 8 to 9, but I'm getting so many packages out this house in Denver, and I'm so confused because I've only ordered maybe 2 or 3 packages here, and all of a sudden I'm getting so many boxes, and I don't know exactly how they're getting here. I did give my manager my address while I was in Denver though, so she might be sending PR packages here, but I'm like, I'm only gonna be here for 2 weeks. Why do I have these 2 giant boxes? So I don't really know what's in here. I kind of want to open it really fast. We have like a couple minutes before we need to leave. I kind of want to see what they are. So let's open them together because I think they might be some snacks. Oh wait, it's not for me, that's for sure. Is another package for me?
I don't think any of them are.
What?
That's what I told you already. I said these aren't even for you.
What? Aww. I got so excited. I got so excited. But there is one package that I can open. So I did get a box from Fab Fit and Fun. Let's open it together. I am working with them, but I'm actually so excited to be working with them because I see so many people with their monthly Fab Fit Fun boxes, and you like get to like literally pick out what you get in your box. So I'm so excited for what's in my box. Oh my god, look how cute it is, guys. It's so cute. But yeah, my friend Janine works with FabFitFun all the time, and every time she gets a box, I'm so tempted to purchase one, and I literally was gonna purchase one, but for some reason I forgot to check out. And then all of a sudden they reached out to me being like, hey, like we wanna work with you. And I was like, hell yeah. So I don't know much about FabFitFun other than you get a bunch of products for like $50 a month, and it's like $200 worth of stuff. So I got 3 reusable beauty rounds. This is what they look like. I knew I was gonna get this box while I was in Denver, so I made sure to get some like home decor pieces, but these are reusable cotton rounds. That is amazing. These are like the nicest reusable cotton rounds I've ever seen. Holy cow. I got a tweezers with pouch. I did pick this out because my tweezers always are like shitty tweezers, and I just don't want to pay $20 for Tweezerman tweezers because I bought them and keep losing them. So these look like really good tweezers. Then I got this little guy, which is like, I don't know what this is called, but it's like a little piece of decor and you put like your products in there. Then I got some cute little coasters, and then I got a workout thing because I thought I was gonna work out while I was in Denver. I have not yet, but I got a toning kit which comes with a jump rope and a mini ab ball, so I need to somehow blow it up. Not entirely sure how I'm gonna do that here. I got some bath gel. Nice. I got some skincare, and then this last thing is a hair scarf set. Cute. But Matt and I gotta go. I'm gonna take my little phone instead of this big giant thing for dinner, so I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, we are back home now. It is currently 11:30 p.m. and I am so excited for tomorrow because, sorry, there was like hair in my mouth. I'm so excited for tomorrow because we just got a real estate agent and they're gonna show us the houses that we've been wanting to see. So I'm super excited about that. So get excited for tomorrow's vlog, guys. But I wanted to end the video here, and in every single video we do a question of the day. So today's question of the day comes from Emma Obera, and she said, what is your favorite part about daily vlogs? Honestly, my favorite part about the daily vlogs is actually interacting with you guys and seeing all of your guys' comments every single day. It is so nice having you guys follow my journey along with me, and you guys telling me like things to do, or you guys respond to the questions I ask. Like in yesterday's video that I just posted, I was talking about public schools versus private schools, and so many of you guys gave me your guys' recommendations or opinions on if I should have my kids go to public school or private school. So like that is honestly hands down my favorite part, is like seeing you guys interact with me. So yeah, let me know what's your favorite part about the daily vlogs. Is it like watching the videos or just like feeling closer to me? Because I 1000% feel closer to you guys daily vlogging. So this has been really fun for me. If you guys want to be a part of the next question of the day, make sure to leave me some questions down below and you guys might be featured in my next daily vlog. That is it with today's video. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another daily vlog. I love you guys. Bye guys. Bye. P.S. The food was really good and we went to a place called Bao. I'm not entirely sure where it was, but I thought it was really good. All right, I love you guys. Bye guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.